3,000 holes into this dead oak tree. And in each hole, he jams a nut. His head whacks into the nuts. As the nuts dry, they shrink and have to be moved to smaller holes. This job's perfect for a bird with obsessive-compulsive tendencies. A hungry squirrel spots the unattended tree full of nuts. It's just too tempting. But risking retaliation from a beak that can jackhammer solid wood is a bad idea if you don't have a thick skin. And if your skull's so thick you haven't learned your lesson the first time, the woodpecker's happy to teach the lesson again and again. Until you do. Almost to the point of obsession? Like a win for the squirrels. But the lookouts called in backup. By working together, they keep their stash safe. But not for long. To break into the family vault. These hoarding heroes don't let a little setback get them down. The new collection begins straight away.